What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here again. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a really handy tool called EaseUS Disk Copy. Whether you're upgrading from an old hard drive to a brand new SSD, cloning your system for backup, or even trying to rescue data from a failing disk, this software makes the whole process simple and reliable. This clone software offers everyone great value for money. It provides faster cloning speed than other tools. You can upgrade your hard drive without losing data. You can even migrate your existing Windows without reinstalling it. You can clone an old HDD or SSD to a new computer. This software can even safeguard your computer by creating a bootable WinPE drive, which provides troubleshooting options or performs recovery of system data when the OS crashes. And it's the best software to clone a hard drive with bad sectors. So, to get started, first click on Free Trial. The setup will download, and the installation process is the same as usual. Okay? Alright, and there we go. We are on the main interface. On disk mode, you can clone a disk by just selecting the source and destination drives. Also, we have other options like system mode, where you can migrate the existing operating system onto a new hard drive or new SSD. Partition mode, where you can clone one partition to another target partition. Emergency disk, where you can create a bootable emergency USB to start a crashed system and clone your disk safely. And here, we have a batch mode to display multiple systems, which means you can clone a disk or OS from one computer to multiple computers over a local network in a few steps. But in this video, I'll show you how to move Windows from your old hard drive or HDD to a newer SSD without losing data. Simply go to System Mode. As I mentioned, you can migrate your existing Windows OS onto the new target disk. Let me show you. So here in this PC, I have two different hard drives. One with the system disk and local partition, and the other is the newer SSD right here. I want to move this Windows Drive C onto this new target E partition. Select the target partition. Here it is. My newer Disk 1 SSD assigned with E drive. Select it. Checkmark this to preview the partition layout and go to Next. Now here you can see the disk layouts of both disks. The system disk C will be cloned onto Disk 1, including the system EFI boot partition. You can also edit the disk layout based on your preference. Here, I'll leave it to autofit. Now let's proceed. The data on the target disk will be erased. So if you have any data on it, make sure to back it up somewhere else. Click on Continue. The process will start, and it will take a couple of minutes depending on your data size. The system disk will be directly copied onto the target one, so here I'll fast forward. Alright, we got a pop-up saying that I cloned the system to the USB drive. Do you want to boot the system from the USB drive? Yes, continue. Here I connected my newer SSD as a USB drive. Now click on Finish. As you can see, the entire system drive C is cloned to the newer SSD assigned as A drive. Now I want to boot this newer SSD, so let's see. This is my newer SSD with 256 gigs of memory, where I cloned the system OS just now. I'll attach this to my old laptop, power it up, and load into the boot menu using the keys. Here, I'll select my newer drive. Alright, it's booting. And okay, everything seems normal. There is no data loss. This is my newer SSD. And this is my old hard drive. And that's all for this video. As you just saw, EaseUS Disk Copy makes it super easy to clone your Windows system or upgrade from an old HDD to a faster SSD without losing any data. It comes with a free trial to get you started, and if you want all the advanced features, you can always upgrade to the Pro version. Do check out the link in the description if you want to try it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.